Hello and welcome to this Excel tips video. I'm Sumit Bansal, and in this video I'm going to show you two different methods to shuffle a list of names or items in Excel. So let's get started. Here I have these names and I want to shuffle these names and get the result here in column B. Now in the first method I'm going to use the sort by function. Sort by is a new function in Microsoft 365, and if you're not using Microsoft 365 then you will not have access to this function. But don't worry, the second method that I cover, that can be used in any version of Excel. So if you're not using Microsoft 365 you can use the second method instead. Now in this method the formula is sort by. And here I need to give it two arguments. The first one is the array or the list of names that I want to sort, which would be these names here. And the second would be the basis on which I want to sort these. Now, because I want to randomize these list of names, the sort order needs to be something random. So to do that, I'm going to use the rand array formula, and within rand array formula I need to specify the total number, and then it is going to give me that many random numbers. So for example, in this case I have 14 names, so if I specify 14 here, then this is going to give me 14 random numbers between 0 and 1, and based on those random numbers then the sort by function would sort it. So that would give me the shuffled list. So if I only select the rand array part of the formula and I press F9, you'll see that it gives me 14 random numbers between 0 and 1. Let me press Ctrl Z to go back. And now when I hit enter, this gives me the shuffled list. Now in this case, I have hard coded the number 14, but if you do not know how many names are there or you have a long list, then instead of hard coding it, what you can do is use the rows function instead. And within rows function, you simply select the range and it is going to automatically count how many cells are there in the range. So in this case, it will determine that there are 14 cells in this column. And now again, if I hit enter, it gives me the same result. Now, because I'm using a volatile function, which is the rand array, which is a volatile function, whenever there is a change in the worksheet, this list would keep on updating. So it will keep on shuffling. So for example, I come here in any cell and I enter any random text and I hit enter, you'll see that this list shuffles. Similarly, if you want to shuffle it again, you can hit the F9 key. That would force the rand array function to recalculate. So it will again keep on shuffling the list. Once you have the list you want, you can copy it and paste it somewhere else as values, or you can copy it and then remove the formula and have the list here, because if you do not remove the formula, then it will keep on shuffling whenever you make any change. So to remove the formula, you select this range, right click, go to copy. This is going to copy these cells, then right click, go to paste special, and here click on values and then click OK. So this is going to remove the formula and you will have a shuffled list of names. The second method that I want to show you to shuffle a list of names in Excel would use the rand function. And this function is available in all versions of Excel. So here I'm going to enter the rand formula, and this function does not take any argument. And when you enter this, it is going to give you a random number between 0 and 1. So when I hit enter, it gives me this and I can apply it for the entire column. Now, once I have this, randomizing this list of names is very easy. Select any of these cells, right click, go to sort, and then click on sort smallest to largest or largest to smallest, it doesn't matter. And when you do that, it is going to randomize this list and you have this new list here which has been shuffled. If you want to shuffle it again, simply select any of these cells, right click, go to sort, and then sort again. Once you have sorted this list, once you have shuffled this list, you can come here and you can delete this. So these are two really easy methods that you can use to shuffle a list of names or items in Excel. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Also, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss out on any new Excel tips video I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.